we made IoT, otherwise known as Internet of Toast. As you can see, it's a very large prototype that we are still creating. What this thing, object, Internet of Things hack does is makes you a toast. As shown by this toaster. Amazing. And so essentially what it does is it rotates around, okay?
You can show it.
And it dumps it.
Oh, this would move.
Yeah, that one a bit loose, so.
It would move.
Alright, there.
Yeah.
Alright, there we go.
Oh, I forget. We're not using it.
Yeah, ignore that.
I'm stupid.
Alright, anyways. No. Alright, we will keep going. One take. Alright, this is a breadboard. Get it? Bread and board.
Damn it.
Alright. Okay, servo motors. This is all based off of AT&T's IoT platform, as well as their Flow and M2X. So, over here we have a automatic. Hold on. Automatic bread dispenser that dispenses bread down into the toaster, as I said before. All right, and then when that's all done, this thing turns around as shown earlier.
Using servos?
Yeah, using servos, and it dumps the bread out.
Onto a plate.
Onto a plate. So, if you're super lazy like me, you never have to make breakfast ever again, which is pretty awesome. Imagine a world where toast is just made for you every single day. And duct tape, as well as just to emphasize, where'd our breadboard go? Our breadboard. Yeah.
Alright.